Here we have the fish police coming after Booty for killing all them redfish. Say hi, Mr. Officer. I'm here to give Booty a fish ticket. Go get in the picture, Booty. Worst thing we can do is just charge them PPH. You get what I'm saying? No, I'm talking about live casino. Like, hey, look, $20 for PPH. You get what I'm? Yeah, but we ain't gonna make no, we ain't gonna make that lick. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm trying. Look. Okay, I'll talk to you later. Right. Don't horse them up. You dragging that? You don't have to line like me on the first one. Take your time. There you go, right there. Give me a pair of scissors real quick. Let me cut this freaking line. Not yet, John. Don't scare him yet. Not yet, John. You gonna scare him, bro. This is the third one, bro. I can't lose him. God, not again, motherfucker. Not again. Fucked up already. I fucked up. You want the power pole up? I can't see this. Yeah, he's still on. Hold on. Trim the engine up, John? No, don't worry about the net right now. Just trim the engine up. The one part there on the side, the joystick, the joystick. Yeah. No. Hold this. You could kill it. He felt sorry. That's a dumb fish.
That's a small fish. Look, he's small.
That's a dumb fish. So, hey, bro, I'm dumb.
He felt sorry for me.
You're an idiot.
A body slam.
that, John? He's like, all right. Little bitty thing. I ain't gonna get manhandled this time. Over 2 rides, baby. Come to daddy. Dumb fish. Dumb fish. Why you gotta bite this shit? Look at me, baby. I ain't going nowhere. No drag on. I mean, just take your time, man. Oh, fuck, he got me. He's underneath the grass now. Just kill it. Just leave that there. Just kill it. It's gonna come out. It's gonna come out eventually. I see my leader line. John got too excited. He didn't get a bite in a while.
Walk to the front, John. Walk to the front of the boat.
Steer him to the front.
Walk to the front. Keep pressure.
Steer left. Steer left. Steer him left, John. Force him to the left. There you go. Not pressure. All right, you good now. You good. I'm gonna help you. Just give me a second.
I got it.